Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to forward your mails from Outlook to Gmail. First of all, we're going to go to outlook.live.com and we're going to log in into your account. Then you're going to go in the settings tab and then we're going to go into rules. Once we're here, you're going to go press add new rule and then we can add a name to our rules. So let's just name it forward to Gmail. And then we're going to add a condition. So if you want to only add specific emails to be forwarded, you can add from, and then we can add the addresses of the people that you want the emails to be received from. And if they're not in your contacts, you can just do this, and then it's going to add an exception. And then if you want to receive every email, so it doesn't matter from who, you can do all the way over here in the bottom, apply to all messages. And then we're going to go into action, and then we're going to send to go to forward to, and then we're going to add our own email, or Gmail, that is. So we're just going to type in our Gmail address, and basically, once we save it, it's going to forward every single email that we get on the Outlook account to our Gmail account. And that's pretty much how you do that. Thanks for watching, make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe, and make sure to have a great day. See you in the next one. Goodbye.